this is it. Hopefully we're getting it all finished today. Well, 99% finished anyway. So, hold, stop right there. This is not it. I can't believe I've just said that. So, that was Sunday, and I'm thinking to myself, right, I'll get it back on its wheels. I've not got much more to do. I've got a couple of weeks till Brooklands. I've looked in my diary. Brooklands is this coming Sunday. So this will probably go out Friday evening. That means I've got tonight, Monday night, I'm away all week. I've got Friday night to get everything else finished on the car ready for Brooklands. I don't know whether that's going to happen. I need to get a move on. I was a bit overconfident with getting it ready in time then. Hey mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. It's part 11 of the classic Mini Workshop radius arm replacement. So I've got everything laid out on the bench behind me. I've just got to put it in the car. It's Sunday morning, it's quite a nice day, it's quite windy outside, and I've got nothing planned for the rest of the day, so I've got the whole day on the car. Hopefully I don't come across any snags. I'd at least like to be able to get it on 4 wheels. And maybe push it outside so I can see inside a little bit better, because if you remember very early on I made an amateur mistake and cut through the wiring loom in the boot, so I need to repair all that. I think there's probably 20-25 wires on that, and it's really dark trying to work in the workshop, so if I can get it outside I'll be able to see a little bit better. So anyway, let me stop waffling on. I need to get cracking and get it finished. Bracket for the fuel pump, but just give that a clean up and a repaint while we're there. Feels good. So there we go, guys, that's that side done. All looking good. It's a little bit of a pain. I struggled a little bit with that radius arm bracket. If you're using the original ones, it's just so much easier because they've already been manipulated into shape in the past, but this is a new subframe, comes with new brackets, so yeah, takes a little bit of fiddling. I won't bother boring you time-lapsing the other side because it's just a repeat of the process, and obviously I will torque the wheels up. Right guys, and that's the other side all done, bolted up together, and you would have seen me struggle with a radius arm bracket on the other side. Typically this side went together no problems at all. In fact, the bolts almost wound themselves in, it was so easy. But we assembled kit subframe yesterday, had exactly the same with that. The near side bracket didn't want to go on, so don't know what it is, but took a little bit of fiddling, but got there in the end.